IKEA Brimnes Bookcase Assembly. Everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to put together a Brimnes bookshelf. Looks just like this. I have two already. I just bought a third one because we got too many books. So anyway, I'm going to start assembling in time-lapse while I explain a little bit more about them. So ready, set, go, 3, 2, 1, go. So if you're not familiar with the Brimnes, it's 190 centimeters high by 60 centimeters wide by 35 centimeters deep. In the US, it sells for $99 US. Here in Hong Kong, it goes for 999 Hong Kong dollars, which is about 120 US. So yeah, we're paying extra again. But I've had those two for going on 3 or 4 years at least, and they've held up pretty well. Previously, I had the really common Billy bookcases, which are like the standard cheap IKEA bookshelf. It's almost the exact same design, but somehow cheaper. Like it just doesn't come out as well. So in that case with the Billy, if you move once or twice, or you try to take the shelves out, they sag, they wobble. These ones have done better. I've moved, I think, twice with these guys, and they've held up really well. Maybe I just have better movers nowadays. So anyway, we like them so much, we decided to get a third one. Enjoy the rest of the assembly. Apologies in advance for the kids who will inevitably be walking in front of the camera by the time I finish this. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's what it looks like. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12.
Done?
Okay, so I just want to do a quick wrap up. As you can see, I'm in the future. I'm actually not in Hong Kong anymore. This is like 18 months after I filmed that, to be honest. The good news is I have even more experience using the Brimnes Bookcase. So not only do I have the two that I've had for several years, but the third one too I've had, and I've moved since then. So I moved maybe 3-4 months ago from that apartment to one downstairs. So I didn't take it apart, but I did put it on a cart, take it through an elevator, move it around. Still no problem. The shelves are nice and straight, doesn't wobble, doesn't creak. The drawers still work pretty fine. I think the only real critique I've had of it is that it's too easy for stuff to fall out through the drawer and get stuck underneath. So when I was moving, not only were there huge dust bunnies under there, either things falling off the top or things falling from the inside drawers definitely accumulate inside. So maybe every once in a while take the bottom drawer out, vacuum, and pick up whatever might have fallen out. But overall, like quality-wise, no problem. I even mounted my Dyson vacuum cleaner into the side and put some books in and stuff, so it's pretty decent. It didn't like fall apart or anything. So overall, definitely gets a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up from a Clueless dad. Okay, check out my other videos. I've got tons of stuff here in Japan that I'm gonna unbox, including the shorter version of the Brimnes Bookcase. Come back and check those out. Hopefully, I'll get them done sooner than this one. Fine.